To me, the biggest thing is putting a smile on someone's face. I love how food connects people, how food brings people together. When I started, I made a bridal shower cake for someone. Then they got married, and now they're having kids. We're growing with our clients, and we're part of people's journeys, and that brings a lot of joy to me. My name is Jujhar. I am the pastry chef and owner of Mann Co Bake Shop right here in beautiful Surrey, BC. It is a boutique bake shop that specializes in North American style desserts with a South Asian fusion flair. You know, very sweet, very decadent, but made from scratch using the best ingredients. Growing up, I would always say that I want to become a pastry chef. So it's always been a goal from a young age. I would kind of always be in the kitchen with my mom. And one day when I was watching TV, I discovered Food Network and cooking and baking shows. So that's where I would say my love began, and I just instantly became like hooked on it. I also had a dream of following my dad's footsteps and opening a business one day. So I knew that going to business school was the perfect place to start. At SFU Beedie, I concentrated in marketing. The program, I would say, was for sure intense. To be honest, it's a total different adjustment going from high school to university. There was a lot more responsibilities. We have to work really hard. During my first year, I was feeling a little stressed and overwhelmed. So I decided to get a box mix from the grocery store, and I made a cake for fun. The cake was burnt, but I had a great time. So I started baking once a month, and it was kind of like therapy, you know? I'm a really hands-on person. Anytime I would feel stressed or overwhelmed, I would just bake. I made a hobby page on social media. Folks started reaching out saying, "Hey, do you sell this?" And I was like, "Sure, I can make you some cupcakes for your baby shower. Why not?" So during school, I was a full-time student, but I was pretty much doing this part-time on the side, and work really picked up. Going to SFU really helped me personally from an educational standpoint, but also networking and building up the confidence that I really needed to operate a business one day. I am Jujhar Mann, pastry chef and owner of Mann Co Bake Shop, and I am a graduate of the SFU Beedie School of Business.